take? Obviously this weekend, Joshua Parker. Just quickly, what are your thoughts? Who comes out on top?
Good fight. I think it's a good fight. It's a fantastic event they're putting on. Joshua back at home is massive. He's probably the biggest star in world boxing in a minute, if I'm being honest. But I see Joshua beating him, stopping him late on, or maybe points.
If that happens, then obviously we're in collision course for Wilder, Joshua. Thoughts on that?
That's a real good fight as well. A real good fight. Wilder impressed me in his last fight. He showed that he's got desire, he's got the hunger, you know what I'm saying? He's got a good chin, he can take a shot, he can come back. And whoever Wilder hits on the chin is going to sleep. So I think when they fight, it'll be whoever lands first. I honestly do.
That was gonna be my next question, kind of who hits harder.
Yeah.
And so
you'd probably have to go Wilder.
You're gonna go Wilder?
Yeah, he's a bit all over the place, like a bit wild, but he can punch. If he hits you, you're going.
Where does Tyson Fury fit in this whole picture?
Tyson Fury is another one. Really like this guy. Guy's a character, but the guy can fight. He can really fight. You know what I'm saying? He's unorthodox. He's fast. He's sharp. He's elusive. He shouldn't be a heavyweight. That's what it's like, isn't it? Tyson Fury's right out there.
Tell the fans, man, where they can watch your fight, where they can follow you, follow the journey and all that.
Alright, follow me, James Degale, on Twitter, Instagram. Watch next Saturday, the 7th of April, live on Showtime. It's going to be big. Team Chunky's back. 2-time world champion, I'm coming.
There it is. Thank you so much. So appreciate your time.
What's up, bro?